Hello everyone! We are going to start this project with a small brush, water and yellow paint. Our first step is to paint an oval shape for the head. Next, we'll paint an outline for the neck. Now we'll paint an almond-shaped ear on each side. Next, we can paint horns. Now let's paint an arch in the middle of the face. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and light blue paint to outline Giraffe and paint in the rest of the background. You can switch to a large brush to paint in large pieces of background. After washing and wiping your medium-sized brush, you can dip it in yellow paint to create two large circles on the face. Let's paint in the top part of the head around the eyes. Now we can paint in the lower parts of the horns. Let's outline both ears, leaving the middle white. Now we'll outline and paint in the neck. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in beige paint to outline and paint in the lower part of the face. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in brown paint to outline and paint in the circles on the horns. Next, we'll keep using brown paint to outline and paint in spots on top of the neck. We're gonna paint hair on the right side of the neck. We'll start with painting a straight line on the right side. Next, we'll add half circles to the right of the line. Let's switch to a small brush and black paint. We'll paint a black circle in each eye. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in pink paint to outline and paint in space inside of the ear. Next, we'll use darker pink to paint a smile. Now we'll switch to brown paint to create two nostrils. Next, we'll paint two arches above the eyes for eyebrows. Let's use pink paint to create a circle on each cheek. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to create two dots in each eye. Now let's add second layer of paint where it's needed. After washing and wiping your medium-sized brush, you can dip it in white paint to create clouds. We'll start by creating one circle. Next, you'll be adding more circles around it. We'll use the same technique to add more clouds. Now we can go back and add second layer of paint if it's needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to see more.